Today I am reviewing the iBUYPOWER Element Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, creators, and fellow gamers. If you are on the hunt for a high-tier, future-proof pre-built desktop computer that can completely crush maximum graphical settings at 1440p and 4K resolutions, handle heavy workload multitasking, and glide through intensive video editing with ease, then you will want to listen closely. Today, we are taking an in-depth, thorough look at the iBUYPOWER Element Gaming PC desktop, specifically model EWA9N5702. Pre-built gaming rigs sometimes get an unfair reputation for cutting corners on structural engineering or including sluggish components, but iBUYPOWER has delivered a balanced, ultra-premium system right out of the box. We are going to dive deep into its core processing muscle, next-generation graphics capabilities, real-world memory advantages, and physical build presentation to see why this tower is an elite investment for your desk setup. Diving straight into the computational core of this machine, performance is driven by the incredibly powerful AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor. This is a top-of-the-line central processing unit featuring 12 full performance cores and 24 processing threads, operating on AMD's advanced architecture. It boasts a remarkably high base clock speed and can dynamically push its performance up to an intense 5.6 GHz boost frequency when the workload demands it. To keep this powerhouse chip running efficiently under heavy loads, iBUYPOWER includes their premium 240mm all-in-one liquid cooling loop, which actively moves thermal energy away from the processor to prevent any hint of thermal throttling. This means whether you are rendering complex 3D projects, encoding massive high-definition video files, or running hardware-heavy simulation software, this desktop breezes through the task with absolute stability. For multitaskers, the processor is supported by an impressive 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 memory operating in a dual-channel configuration at 5,200 MHz. DDR5 offers massive data bandwidth advantages over older system memory standards, allowing the system to instantly hand off heavy data files without a single moment of lag. You can have a heavy modern game running on your primary monitor, live video broadcasting software encoding on your second screen, and dozens of background applications open simultaneously without ever exhausting your system memory. Additionally, the RAM sticks feature vibrant, customizable RGB lighting lines running down the spine to elevate the visual appeal of your internal build. Now let's talk about the real masterpiece of this hardware configuration, the graphical processor. The Element desktop comes equipped with the groundbreaking NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card featuring 12 GB of dedicated video memory. This graphics processor is built upon NVIDIA's highly sophisticated, next-generation Blackwell architecture, representing a massive generational leap forward in artificial intelligence horsepower, native rasterization capabilities, and real-time path tracing. With the introduction of advanced DLSS 4.5 frame generation technology, this card can effortlessly supercharge your performance, turning demanding AAA gaming titles into fluid visual masterpieces. Reflections, volumetric shadows, and realistic lighting elements are handled with pristine accuracy, letting you experience virtual worlds exactly the way the developers intended them to be seen. Storage is handled by a fast 1TB NVMe solid-state drive. Utilizing the high-speed NVMe interface directly over the motherboard's PCIe lanes, your Windows 11 home operating system boots up in just a few seconds, and heavy game loading screens become almost entirely instantaneous. While an aggressive game collector might eventually want to utilize the motherboard's open expansion slots to add more storage capacity down the road, this initial terabyte gives you a fast foundation for your most important applications and current gaming rotation. Turning to the physical exterior, the system is housed in the gorgeous iBUYPOWER Element tempered glass gaming case. It features panoramic glass paneling that gives you a completely unobstructed view of your clean, professionally managed interior components. The case is detailed with a 16-color customizable RGB lighting array, allowing you to perfectly personalize the color scheme of your entire room with the push of a button. Airflow is optimized through stylistic panel perforations and high-quality internal fans that draw cool air through the chassis while expelling heat out the back, ensuring a cool, whisper-quiet computing environment even during intense, multi-hour gaming sessions. Connectivity is another major win for this system, packing 6 high-speed USB 3.1 ports for all of your external hard drives and audio interfaces, a traditional gigabit RJ45 network Ethernet port for a stable wired connection, and built-in high-speed Wi-Fi alongside Bluetooth to handle all of your wireless peripherals. Best of all, iBUYPOWER ships this PC completely clean with zero pre-installed bloatware, meaning you get a pure, unburdened Windows experience the moment you turn it on. They even include a free matching gaming keyboard and an RGB gaming mouse right in the box to get you up and running immediately. To wrap it all up, the iBUYPOWER Element EWA9N5702 is a phenomenal triumph of modern pre-built engineering. By masterfully pairing the intense 12-core multi-threaded power of the Ryzen 9 with the cutting-edge Blackwell architecture of the RTX 5070, iBUYPOWER has crafted a machine that leaves absolutely no room for compromise. It gives you liquid-cooled performance, premium aesthetics, abundant modern connectivity, and total hardware freedom. Whether you are a competitive gamer aiming for maximum frame rates, a full-time streamer, or a digital creator pushing heavy software limits, this desktop is a spectacular choice that will confidently power your digital world for years to come.